Scooter of the week, yeah.
Hello and welcome back to another episode of Scooter of the Week. I am your host Greg with AutoMobility Store, and this week I picked it's a newer version of the Elite Traveler 2. I know that just came out. I just did a video on it, but Pride is so ahead of the times, and they produce things very quickly. So this one is the Elite Traveler 2 Platinum. The Elite Traveler 2 Standard, when that came out, the huge thing about it was the easy turn technology. It gives you that three-wheel turning ability or radius with that four-wheel stability. So the Platinum version still has that easy turn technology. Excellent feature. They seem to be putting that on all of their four wheels now, one at a time. They just did it on the Victory 10. So besides that, though, what they switched up on this is their newest technology, which is the Charge 360. This Charge 360, if you're used to charging these scooters, typically it comes with an XLR cable, that little round cable with the 3 pins in it. And let's say it's nighttime, you're trying to plug your scooter in before bed. You got to find that spot and you got to twist it until you match those pins up, and then you're finally plugged in. This magnetic Charge 360 technology, it's literally just a magnet. You push it against the charging port, and no matter which direction that cord is in, it magnetizes, it sticks. It's got an indication light that lets you know it's plugged in. Fantastic feature, and this will slowly be put onto all of their scooters in the foreseeable future, as far as I know. As far as how I see they're going with things, this will be happening. But one of the newer things they've added is their tiller adjustment knob. So if you again are familiar with the Go-Gos, they've always had that round twist knob. You'd basically turn it counterclockwise to loosen it, find your spot, tighten it up, all while kind of bent down like that to do that. So they've invented this new method where basically it's just a push lever. So you push it one direction. You can do it with your hand, or you can do it with your foot. That's my favorite part about it. So you get your hands on the tiller, you put your foot on this tiller adjustment, you push it, you get where you want that tiller, and you release. That's it. No more bending down, no more tightening knobs. Fantastic feature. So that's what they've added to the Platinum, is that 360 charge technology, as well as that new tiller mechanism. So you're still going to get that 300-pound weight capacity, 4.23 mile per hour speed. Still comes apart in the 5 lightweight pieces. Your heaviest piece, only 39 pounds. Let's see, we've got color choices as well with this. Here we go. So it's going to come standard with the cardinal red and the black, they're both matte, which I love the matte colors on anything really. I want to do it to my car, but it looks great on these scooters. But you still have your options for additional colors, which is the cello, which is their yellow, an iceberg blue, robin's egg blue, the sugar plum, and the tangerine. So you can add on additional color panels for actually not a bad price. You still have the option for the upgradable battery, but it comes standard with a 12 amp hour battery. You're going to get at the 300-pound weight capacity at least 6.6 miles per charge. If you're at 220 pounds or less, you're going to get 8.8 miles per charge. So not bad. With the upgrade, at the 300, you're going to get at least 10.4 miles per charge. And at 220 or lower, you're going to get 13.8 miles per charge. So that's comparable to like the Go-Go Sport driving range, which has it at 14.5 miles per charge. So excellent scooter. I know I'm going over so much, so quick. I try to give you all the information in a real short video, but feel free to click the links in the description. One will take you right to the listing for this, where everything I went over is listed, as well as a product video I made. I like to take them out, show you how it looks on the outside, how to take it apart, this and that. So any other questions, give AutoMobility Store a call, 800-431-3183.